try. We're going to monitor it. They will monitor it.
Now, it's not clear if shutting down the adult services section is permanent. Craigslist has yet to officially comment, but the company is now feeling the pressure from advocates and human rights groups about shutting down that section to everyone, not just people here in the U.S. Live in the Web Center, Nineveh Dinha, Fox13Now.com.
Well, the weather is moving in. It is windy out there.
Yeah, we've got a lot of winds that have picked up, and we've got some thunderstorms out to the west. Everything's kind of working together right now to make for what should be kind of interesting night here along the Wasatch Front. So let's go ahead. First of all, this is what it looked like earlier. Just beautiful conditions. A couple clouds popping up over the mountains. Now, this was northern Utah, of course, Little Cottonwood Canyon to be exact. But, boy, southern Utah, we had some showers and thunderstorms that pretty much went off and on throughout the day. Now, they're off at this point for southern Utah. They have moved out of the state. For northern Utah, though, a pretty well-defined little squall line right here. As you can see, through the west deserts right now, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that has just expired, actually, for the central part of the Tooele Valleys, or the Tooele County, I should say, right here, and is making its way towards the east-northeast. Now, this thunderstorm will die. Some of it will die out before it hits the Wasatch Front, but quite a bit of it is going to hold together. Most of what we'll get out of it are some lightning and then the gusty winds. That's what we've seen out of this thunderstorm so far. It's going to be here in the next couple hours. It'll mostly hit from Salt Lake City north from that point. And once again, gusty winds will be the main thing. It's a couple hours out at this time. 78 degrees right now here in Salt Lake City, but yeah, winds out of the south right now at 21 miles per hour, and there are stronger gusts out there, especially if you go towards the west. Wendover right now, 79 degrees. This is what it looked like in West Wendover as this storm system started moving in earlier this evening. You can see the clouds off in the distance. You can even see a little bit of rain back here, some heavier rain from some of these clouds earlier in the day as that system started pushing on through. Notice the temperatures, 58 degrees right now in Moab, where we have had some showers and thunderstorms. Those have moved on out. 73 in St. George, so cooler in St. George than it is in Salt Lake. In fact, our high today in Logan was warmer than it was in St. George because of those showers. All right, so the thunderstorms moved through southern Utah earlier today. Thunderstorms now in the northern part of the state that will continue to track towards the northeast. So we'll see those moving through in the overnight hours. Could be a couple lingering around by tomorrow morning.
Have a fry.
The main story tomorrow will be winds, some rather strong winds, especially